Wanting them to be at school and wanting them to come and get their education is a part. I feel like this builds that up because it's building their confidence. Teaching them to be proud of who they are and where they come from.
I feel like you can still get like the same exact outcomes here compared to like in the classroom. Like you're going to learn trigonometry and mathematics, a lot of biology and engineering.
In classrooms, we really follow, that Socratic method of teaching where the teacher teaches and lectures and we take notes and then we memorize. And it becomes very rote. And so there's no real experience to it. We're really sort of moving out of that now, I think, and trying to have that real experience learning. And this is experiential learning.
Time doing this art, the ice scraping and making Tipi poles, pegs, buttons, a lot of fun.
you are learning about stuff, like stuff that you like can't learn in like a classroom, or like would be really hard to learn in a classroom.
Hey. Well, good morning, students, teachers, little elder people. These are some of the principles that run in the Blackfoot world. Is truth, honesty, that we have to abide by.
And have respect for that, the land, the universe, everything in it. Because if you don't, there are severe consequences. And I think right now we're living it.
It's really good that you're here, experience something, get something out of this. Whatever, maybe the animals and the birds will talk to you. Listen, you gotta connect with them.
Like our elders here, they got stopped of what they wanted to do, speak the language, sing the songs and everything like that, but there's nobody stopping us.
Creator all gave every one of us sitting here a gift when we were born. And it's called willpower. Every one of us got it. Just got to know how to use it. Find it. Learn how to use willpower. And your life will be strong.
If this was like this when I was going to school, I would have still been in school and probably be in college, university, or some kind of degree right now. But I do have a degree. It's at home, but this represents it. Tobacco. That's my degree. Being taught from my elders and learning from them.
Going to do away with Snapchatting each other, right? Snapchat, yeah. Do away with that, eh? So first thing in the morning, you don't Snapchat your friend. You look around, you say, I'm going to Snapchat that crow or that magpie. I'm going to Snapchat him. Yeah, that's what we need to do. So we're going to do away with Snapchatting for the next few days, okay?
To be proud of who we are, be proud of these songs, be proud of our language, and respect each other, because our elder said, Tzachkum, Mother Earth is telling us something, and we got to try and figure out what that is.
It's important that as many people as possible can learn about that, because when more people value it, people can see its importance more and advocate more effectively for conserving these important places.
Had breakfast, I felt fulfilled. I was with people I liked, people I didn't like, people I got to know. I'm right here.
So get to know Jer, and he's a real smart guy.
He's a wise guy.
Wise guy.